Okay, so we're gonna go for 10 and go all across the solar system and beyond. Now, first I'm gonna tell you. Before we're gonna go through the solar system, before I tell you how I actually am doing this. Now, sorry about that. I was getting this thing. Now, we're gonna go a trip across the solar system. In 3, 2, 1. This is the sun. The sun's amazing. 1.396 thousand kilometers. Light travels from the sun to the earth in about 8 minutes, traveling across 93 million miles. Now, the sun's temperature is amazing, 5,500 degrees Celsius. Check out my video about stars if you want to know more about the sun. Or check out the solar system video. Or the astronomy video. Now it works by nuclear fusion. Check how it goes about. See how it works. Now, we're gonna see it fade away as we go to our next. In space, traveling across the Mercury. This is Mercury. Mercury is 4,900 kilometers. It is the smallest planet. It's 800 degrees Fahrenheit, not the hottest, even though it's the closest. Why? No atmosphere. Now, Mercury has a gigantic core. Next. Is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet at 880 degrees. Why? Because of it looks brighter than it actually is in the camera. I'm not sure why. Why? Because its atmosphere very, very thick and full of carbon dioxide. Venus is 12,142 kilometers, 600 away from Earth. Speaking of Earth, let's go down next. This is Earth. Earth is roughly river and it has an average temperature of 59 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's usually lower than that since it's the winter season right now. Might be another season for you. If it's summer, it will be hotter than usual. And in spring and fall, it's about the same. Earth is 12,742 kilometers. It has core, mantle, crust. This is Mars. Mars is the red planet. And why? Oh, it's red. Mars is 6,561 kilometers and has average temperature of negative 80 degrees, which is very cold. Next, before we go to Jupiter, let's talk about the asteroid belt. Now first, dwarf planet. Ceres is 946 kilometers, and though it might be the smallest dwarf planet, it shouldn't be the biggest asteroid. Now before we head on to Jupiter, there's one thing that you might have forgot. The moon. This is the moon. Mars 3 is roughly 3,000 kilometers and is 1/4 the size of the Earth. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet, 146,000 at 139,000 kilometers. It also has its red spot. We're also going to get faster now. Jupiter is mainly hydrogen and helium. This is Saturn. Saturn's 116,000 kilometers and has 7 rings. Rings A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now most of that might just have 2 moons like Phobos and Deimos. However, Jupiter has 95 and Saturn has over 100.
Ilan ba yung 5/8? Inano na ni ano? Kahapon niya, 3/8, ay 3/5 ang ano.
This is Uranus. Uranus has 13 rings. Fainter. Uranus is 50,000 kilometers and spins on its side. It is also the coldest planet. I'll tell you now, I'll just write Venus is the hottest planet. Because of something, even though it is the second, even though Uranus is the seventh, it's the coldest for a reason. What's that reason? Because it doesn't have anything to heat it, unlike Neptune. This is Neptune. Neptune's 49,000 kilometers. It has own internal heating, unlike Uranus. Even it a bit hotter. Now let's talk about the dwarf planets. There are 5. There are 4 of them. Other than Ceres, which we talked about. There are 5 dwarf planets. Ceres we already talked about, but what about the other 4? Pluto's the biggest and has a hole at 2,370 kilometers. Just 60 kilometers smaller is Eris, the farthest of them. Haumea is 1,600 kilometers and is shaped like an egg because of its fast rotation. Makemake is red and is 1,400 kilometers and few you I talk about. There's also many other stuff like Cool, Segna. That's for another video.
Ay, ano sa akin?
Let's go across some of the solar system ones,
Ini ba kung alati, ano pagiging ba kayo?
like Iapetus, a moon of Saturn. If you look next, Orcus to a moon of Jupiter. So Europa,
Doon man sa sa may anong ito.
Ganymede,
Free shipping naman daw.
Free shipping.
Mimas, and other stuff. Now let's go outside of our solar system. This is the Milky Way, seen from night. The spherical one is what we see from stars. But this is what you actually see from the night sky. 100,000 light years in diameter. This is the Whirlpool Galaxy. 70,000 kilometers. 70,000 light years.
Hindi ko po alam. Hindi, ano natin? Ano ba yung time mo?
Now we have even more. Yep. Now we'll talk about. Now this is the Horsehead Nebula. Nebula formed when nebulas create stars and are formed when supernovas have like the Crab Nebula, or like the Helix Nebula, planetary ones, like what's gonna happen to the Sun. This is a galaxy. These are the pillars of creation and the Ego Nebula. This is a galaxy. This is a nebula. This is the Cat's Eye Nebula. Now these galaxies make up superclusters, like the Virgo supercluster. These galaxies make up galaxy groups, which make up like the Local group, which make up superclusters, like the Virgo supercluster or the Laniakea supercluster, which make up the even bigger Pisces Theta supercluster complex.
Dito pa kay astronaut uno.
And which is the filament of the universe. I don't have time for the rest. Bye.